Okay, this story is about two little birds. Now these little birds, they were sitting in their tree on their branch, and these little birds were friends. And they'd sit there. Hang on, we'll just draw the little birdies first. That's the birdie, that's his chest. His feet hanging onto the branch, his wings. Okay, now these two little birds, they were friends. This one is called Gina. This one's called Michelle. Now they shared lots of things in common. They both liked doing the same things. And each morning they liked singing their little morning songs. So they looked the same and they liked doing the same. But you know what was different? Is the way they thought. So Gina, she would think with words. And Michelle, when she thought, she would think with pictures. So it was really easy for Michelle to maybe draw pictures or think of stories doing a picture first, then writing about the story, or remembering things if she drew a picture of it or saw a photo of it. It was very easy, so she thought with pictures. And Gina, she was very good at reading books and using her words to read and write. So it was very easy for her to do her reading and writing and storytelling. That's because she thought with words and Michelle thought in pictures. So although they looked the same and they shared the same interest, they both understood that they thought differently, that Gina thought with words and Michelle thought in pictures, but that was okay because that's just the way they were, and they were both really good at what they did. Michelle was good at drawing pictures and remembering faces and names and anything to do with pictures, and Gina was really good at reading and writing books and stories and things like that. So that's how Gina and Michelle got to be friends, just by respecting the different ways that each other thinks. They don't have to think the same to be friends. Okay, the end.